वेलकम टू द चैनल टू द पॉइंट 50 जनरल नॉलेज क्वेश्चंस। आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए 50 ऐसे जनरल नॉलेज के क्वेश्चंस लेकर आई हूँ जिसे आप सभी को जानना चाहिए। सबसे पहले मेरे चैनल को लाइक कर दीजिए। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगता है तो आप इसे शेयर कर दीजिए और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और पास ही दिए गए बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए ताकि आपको मेरे वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन जल्दी मिल सके। तो चलिए हम लोग क्वेश्चंस की तरफ चलते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which is the tallest mountain in the world? Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Answer है Mount Everest. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? The right answer is Mount Everest. Second question, which is the largest plateau in the world? Which is the largest plateau in the world? The right answer is Tibetan Plateau. Which is the largest plateau in the world? The right answer is Tibetan Plateau. Question number 3. Which two parts of the body continue to grow for your entire life? Which two parts of the body, ऐसा कौन सा दो पार्ट है जो कि पूरे entire life वो continue वो grow होते रहता है? तो which two parts of the body continue to grow for your entire life? The right answer is nose and ears. हम लोगों को पता नहीं चलता लेकिन nose और ears ऐसा चीज है जो हमारे entire life throughout the life वो grow करता है. Question number 4. How many bones are there in the human body? How many bones are there in the human body? तो राइट आंसर है 206. ह्यूमन बॉडी में 206 बोन्स होते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Who was the first man to step on the moon? Who was the first man to step on the moon? Right answer is Neil Armstrong. Who was the first man to step on the moon? Answer is Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong पहला इंसान है जो कि सबसे पहली बार मून पर अपना कदम रखा था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. It is also known as Indian gooseberry. Is a rich source of vitamin C. It is also known as Indian gooseberry. इसको इंडियन gooseberry के नाम से भी जाना जाता है और ये विटामिन सी से भरपूर होता है. तो आंसर इसका आंवला. Question number 7. Which is the smallest state of India? Which is the smallest state of India? The right answer is Goa. Goa is the smallest state of India. Question number 8. Which bird lays the largest egg in the world? Which bird lays the largest eggs in the world? इसका right answer है ostrich. Which birds lays the largest eggs in the world? The right answer is ostrich. Question number 9. Which is the hardest mineral in the world? Question number 9. Which is the hardest mineral in the world? The right answer is diamond. Diamond जो होता है वो सबसे ज़्यादा hardest होता है. Question number 10. A figure which has no sides and no corners are called. एक ऐसा figure जिसका कोई side नहीं होता, कोई corner नहीं होता. A figure which has no sides and no corners are called. इसे circle बोला जाता है. Circle या फिर oval कुछ भी हम लोग बोल सकते हैं. Question number 11. Who invented telephone? Who invented telephone? The right answer is Alexander Graham Bell. Who invented the telephone? The right answer is Alexander Graham Bell. Question number 12. Which planet in our solar system has thousands of spectacular rings around it? Which planet in our solar system? कौन सा planet है हमारे solar system में जिसके चारों तरफ rings है? Thousands of spectacular rings around it. The right answer is Saturn. Question number 13. How many continents are there and their names? कितने continent होते हैं और उनका नाम बताने के लिए कहा गया है. How many continents are there and their names? There are 7 continents. Total 7 continents होते हैं. कौन कौन से हैं? एशिया, अफ्रीका, यूरोप, नॉर्थ अमेरिका, साउथ अमेरिका, ऑस्ट्रेलिया और अंटार्कटिका. There are 7 continents. एशिया, अफ्रीका, यूरोप, नॉर्थ अमेरिका, साउथ अमेरिका, ऑस्ट्रेलिया और अंटार्कटिका. Question number 14. Which is the longest river on earth? Which is the longest river on earth? The right answer is Nile River in Egypt. Which is the longest river on earth? The right answer is Nile River in Egypt. Question number 15. What is the national anthem of India and who wrote it? What is the national anthem of India and who wrote it? The right answer is Jana Gana Mana और जनगण मन जो है वो रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर के द्वारा लिखा गया है। तो द नेशनल एंथम ऑफ इंडिया इज जनगण मन रिटन बाय रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर। What is the national song of India? What is the national song of India? The right answer is Vande Mataram, written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. What is the national song of India? Answer is Vande Mataram, written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Question number 17. Who invented the computer? Who invented the computer? Answer is Charles Babbage. Who invented the computer? Charles Babbage. Question number 18. Which planet in our solar system is known as the red planet? कौन सा planet है हमारे solar system में जिसे red planet के नाम से भी जाना जाता है? Which planet in our solar system is known as the red planet? The right answer is Mars. Which planet in our solar system is known as the red planet? Mars. Question number 19. Which state is the largest state of India? Which state is the largest state of India? Answer is Rajasthan. Which state is the largest state of India? Answer is Rajasthan. Question number 20. Which state of India has the longest coastline? Which state of India has the longest coastline? Answer Gujarat. Which state of India has the longest coastline? The right answer is Gujarat. Question number 21. By which process does the excess water in plants get released? By which process? उस process का नाम बताना है जिसकी वजह से जो भी excess water होता है plants में वो released हो जाता है। तो by which process does the excess water in plants get released? Right answer is transpiration. Question number 22. Which organ performs blood purification in the human body? Which organ performs blood purification in the human body? Answer is kidney. Question number 23. Which African country is very famous for chocolate? Which African country is very famous for chocolate? Right answer is Ghana. 24. Charminar is located in which city? Charminar कौन से शहर में located है? Charminar is located in which city? The right answer is Hyderabad. Question number 25. What is the name of the acid found in lemons? जो नींबू में जो एसिड रहता है उस एसिड का क्या नाम है? What is the name of the acid found in lemons? उसे citric acid बोला जाता है. Answer is citric acid. Question number 26. Where is lactobacillus found? Where is lactobacillus found? Answer curd. Curd में lactobacillus मिलता है. Question number 27. What is the sum of the angles in a triangle? Triangle के तीनों एंगल को अगर ऐड कर दिया जाए तो तीनों को मिलाकर सम क्या होगा? What is the sum of the angles of a triangle? Answer is 180 degrees. Question number 28. Where is the smallest bone in our body located? सबसे छोटा बोन हमारे पूरे बॉडी में कहाँ रहता है? Where is the smallest bone in our body located? कान में रहता है. The ear. Answer is the ear. Where is the smallest bone in our body located? Answer is the ear. Question number 29. Which important line passes through the middle of India? Which important line passes through the middle of India? Answer is the Tropic of Cancer. Which important line passes through the middle of India? The right answer is Tropic of Cancer. Question number 30. Which is the world's tallest animal? Which is the world's tallest animal? वर्ल्ड का टॉलेस्ट एनिमल कौन सा होता है? Obviously giraffe. Which is the world's tallest animal? Answer is giraffe. Question number 30. Question number 31. Who was the main male god worshipped by Indus people? Who was the main male god? कौन सा मेन मेल गॉड थे जिन्हें इंडस वैली के जो पीपल थे वो पूजते थे? Who was the main male god worshipped by Indus people? Lord Vishnu. Question number 32. Which continent has the highest population density? कौन सा ऐसा कॉन्टिनेंट है जिसका पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी जो है वो सबसे ज्यादा है? Which continent has the highest population density? Answer is Asia. Question number 33. What is the state of high blood pressure called? What is the state of high blood pressure called? इसे hypertension बोला जाता है. What is the state of high blood pressure called? Answer is hypertension. Question number 34. What makes up approximately 70% of the human body? हमारे बॉडी में 70% क्या है? What makes up approximately 70% of the human body? The right answer is water. Question number 35. Which is the national game of India? Which is the national game of India? The right answer is hockey. Answer, hockey. What makes up approximately 70% of the human body is water, and which is the national game of India is hockey. Question number 36. Who invented the letter zero? Question number 36. Who invented the letter zero? Answer is Aryabhatta. Who invented the letter zero? Aryabhatta. Question number 37. Lord Buddha was born in. Lord Buddha का जन्म कहाँ हुआ था? Lord Buddha was born in. Answer is Lumbini. Question number 38. The first president of the Republic of India was. हमारे सबसे पहले राष्ट्रपति कौन थे? The first president of the Republic of India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The first president of the Republic of India was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 39. The main occupation of the people of the Indus Valley Civilization was. The main occupation of the people of the Indus Valley Civilization was. Indus Valley के जो people थे उनका main occupation क्या था? Agriculture. Question number 40. Sea route in India was discovered by. Sea route in India was discovered by. India के लिए जो sea route है उसे किसने खोजा था? Sea route in India was discovered by. Answer is Vasco da Gama. Question number 41. Question number 41. Which is the most sensitive organ in our body? हमारे पूरे body में सबसे sensitive organ कौन सा होता है? Which is the most sensitive organ in our body? Answer is skin. Question number 42. Which plant grows in desert? Desert में कौन से plant grow करते हैं? Which plant grows in desert? Answer is cactus. 43. Highest dam of India is. Highest dam of India is. Answer is Tehri Dam. Question number 44. Agra is situated on the bank of which river? Agra is situated on the bank of which river? Answer is Yamuna. Question number 45. Goiter is caused due to deficiency of. Goiter is caused ड्यू टू डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ. किसके कमी की वजह से गोइटर होता है? आयोडीन. गोइटर इज कॉज ड्यू टू डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ आयोडीन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 46. हु इज द ऑथर ऑफ द बुक ब्रोकन विंग? हु इज द ऑथर ऑफ द बुक ब्रोकन विंग? द राइट आंसर इज सरोजिनी नायडू. हु इज द ऑथर ऑफ द बुक ब्रोकन विंग? राइट आंसर इज सरोजिनी नायडू. क्वेश्चन नंबर 47. Kuchipudi is the dance form of which state? Kuchipudi is the dance form of which state? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Question number 48. Which is the tallest waterfall in the world? Which is the tallest waterfall in the world? Answer is Angel Falls. Which is the tallest waterfall in the world? Answer is Angel Falls. Question number 49. Where is the Ajanta cave situated? Where is the Ajanta cave situated? Answer is Maharashtra. Where is the Ajanta cave situated? The right answer is Maharashtra. Question number 50. What is the name of our galaxy? What is the name of our galaxy? हमारे galaxy का नाम Milky Way है. What is the name of our galaxy? Answer is Milky Way. Thanks for watching. Thank you.